Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to send a freshly taken video directly through the WhatsApp app on your PC, using the latest update. If you want to share a real-time moment with friends, family, or colleagues without reaching for your phone, this feature makes it easier than ever. Let's walk through each step together. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're inside, head over to the chat where you want to send your video. This could be an individual conversation or a group. Just click on the chat to open it. Now, look for the attachment icon. On most screens, it appears as a paperclip symbol near the bottom of your chat window. Click on this icon and a menu will pop up with several options. From these options, select Camera. This is where the new update shines. WhatsApp now allows you to access your computer's camera directly from the app. Once you choose Camera, your webcam will activate, and you'll see a preview window. Next, switch to video recording mode. You'll usually find a toggle or a small video camera icon within the preview window. Click on it to make sure you're set to record video, not just take a photo. To start recording, click the video icon. Capture your message, your surroundings, or anything you want to share. When you're finished, simply click the stop button. You'll have a chance to review your video before sending. If you're happy with your recording, go ahead and click Send. Your video will be uploaded and delivered instantly to your chosen chat, just like any other message. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can take and send a video on WhatsApp using your PC, thanks to the latest update. No need to transfer files or switch devices. Everything happens right inside the app, making it quick and convenient to share moments as they happen. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and updates to get the most out of WhatsApp on your PC. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.